power the future of industries like oil and gas, power generation, and clean energy, we need to innovate on our past. Design new technologies, engineer alternative approaches, actualize high-quality solutions that withstand the test of time. We must rapidly scale manufacturing, support products in real time, and sustain optimal performance and reliability for their entire lifespan. We need to bring new ideas to life. For nearly 5 decades, TYCROP and Propell have been innovating, designing, engineering, actualizing, and scaling industrial equipment solutions for specialized markets around the world. We don't just imagine the future, we build it. Our journey starts with a simple question: is there a better way? In the era of electrification, decarbonization, artificial intelligence, and rising energy demand, the world requires technology-agnostic solution providers. Companies that can adapt to the evolving needs of high-demand industries. Companies that challenge conventions and deliver on the promise of building a sustainable future. Future energy resilience requires strong partnerships now. TYCROP and Propell's end-to-end manufacturing processes cover every stage, from rapid product development to long-lasting solutions, regulatory compliance to safety without compromise, fabrication to factory acceptance testing. Together, we deliver a place where transformative solutions meet vertically integrated scale manufacturing. Progress isn't built in isolation. It's a journey that requires partnerships, processes, precision, talented people, flexibility, and accountability. We push boundaries, redefine possibilities, and do the heavy lifting. We invest the energy so our customers can generate the power that drives the world forward. Bringing ideas to life.